Hey Carl, are you here? I think so. If you are, say something so I can hear you. You want to see this, Chris? Come over here.
I'm not sure.
Carl is one of the regulars. He's a strong little boy, and he can cross them continuously. Carl, I can't hear
They're
you
on
tonight.
pivot,
Where are
so
you?
she shouldn't be able. There should be no way for them to cross when she's got them up in the air like that.
Okay, Carl, sweetie. Are you happy to see us back?
That would be a yes.
Alright, can you uncross them for me, sweetie? Just uncross them. What do you want to ask? Carl, can you say something so I can hear you? You can, cross the rods. Maybe he's focused on the rods. If I put the rods down and you just focus on talking to Pam, will that help? Maybe.
Hey Carl, last time we were here, were you hiding because of the scary guy in the tree?
Are you still here, bud? Yeah, he's here. He may not remember. That's true. Maybe he was ushered out by other... So, there's a new lady here with us tonight, and her name's Chris, and she's right here beside me. You see her? Point at ya. Hi, Carl. She's really cool, too. That was great. Are you excited to have somebody new here? Yep. Awesome. Well, we try to bring you friends. Do you remember the other two that are here? Can you point to Pam? Good job. Can you point to Mark? Do you remember Mark? The guy with the funny hat? There he is.
Yep.
Do you know where Mike is? Do you remember Mike? Can you point to Mike? Yep, he's way over there, isn't he? He's right there. Good job, sweetie. We're glad to visit you again. Now we're going to be exploring all over the cemetery again, and you're welcome to come with us. You're welcome to stay here, and we'll keep coming around and visiting you. Is that okay? I just heard something.
I heard something on the highway. Hit the rumble strip.
Is that what it was? Okay.
Sounded kind of like a growl.
We're talking to Carl.
Are you?
Yeah, he's here.
Cool.
We just introduced him to Chris. Yeah, and he pointed right at her. And he's pointed each one of us out. And you, as you was walking up.
Yeah.
Bring your camera over here and see if you can get her doing that again, because that was pretty cool.
We're gonna...
Now hopefully it came out on mine.
Okay, let's uncross. Alright, sweetie. Let's go over everybody again. Remember the new lady, Chris? Can you point to her? Good job. Can you point to Pam? Remember where I'm at? There you feels like he's struggling a little bit. We need to get down lower. Okay. Can you point... Ooh! Can you point to Mark? I'm glad the bull's back at it. Can you point to Mike?
Let it be known that the bull is in the field.
Good job, sweetie. Where's Jess at? Can you point at Jess? Well, thank you. Alright, can you uncross them? You gotta get it off. He likes you. There. Anything else you want me to ask? He's just going to be around all night, I have a feeling.
If you want to say anything, I can hear you.
It helps sometimes if you scream it as loud as you can. And we can hear it on the little devices that we've got. We've heard you before, actually.
See, this is what's interesting. We've got all the rod activity, Chris. None of our meters are picking them up.
Yeah, I guess they're nice.
That happens a lot. Majority of the time it's like that, isn't it?
So we're going to go look around, and we'll be back. Are you going to come with us for a little while, or for a little while? You going to stay here?
Yeah,
he's That's cool.
Almost always. He doesn't get much further than halfway up and down just this road.
Really?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Well, we're going to go look around, and then we'll be back after a little while and visit with you. I'm just playing with him. Cool. I'm glad he's back. I was a little nervous there the last 3 times Pam and I came up here.
Let Chris check those out so she can see how